Here, what we are studying, Jana, yeah, that is Ostwald dilution law. We started there. We started trying to solve the
Yes,
problem.
sir.
Okay, so the same we are going to continue Ostwald dilution law. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
hmm. So when you are talking about Ostwald dilution, it is very important for NEET. Jana, this is the problem asked in the NEET also. Here is if you are talking about Ostwald dilution law. So
Yes,
what
sir.
the exact things about Ostwald dilution law is that is relation between, this is giving that is relationship, okay, between what it is going to be between alpha T and Ka. These three things they are going to give a relation at infinite dilution. Infinite dilution means more water is there. Infinite dilution, that is water will be more. So that is okay. Post-wall dilution,
Yes,
post-wall
sir.
dilution law for acid. That is for acid. Yesterday already I told you, but today again little bit for 2 minutes I am revising it. Post-wall dilution law for acid. So I told you, suppose I am having that is Ha, and it is reversibly it is dissociating in H plus, and that is A minus. This is. Since it is given the H plus, so it is acid. This is what type of acid? This is the weak acid. I am taking the weak acid. So if you talk about when the T is equal to 0, so its concentration is C. And T is equal to 0 means reaction not started. This is at when the T is equal to 0. So reaction is not started. That is what the meaning. Not started. Reaction is not started. That is what the meaning. So C, and here is what is the concentration 0, 0. At T equilibrium, T is equal to T equilibrium. Means when 50% reaction completed. At that time, they are asking T is equal to T equilibrium, they are asking. So when you talk about the T equilibrium, Jana, so suppose it is forming how much? This is the C alpha form. This is also C alpha form. So how much left? How much left? That we need to know. How much left? So it is the if the
Yes, sir.
C alpha both are forming. So if you talk about the left concentration, so it will be C minus C alpha. That is what I told you yesterday, right? So since this is acid, so for acid dissociation constant we are writing that is Ka. Ka. So if you are writing Ka is equal to, so that is it will give that is in bracket H plus another bracket A minus and divided by what will be there, Janab, that is Ha. This is what that is Ha. Now what we are going to do, we are putting the value of the H plus A minus and Ha. Okay. So if you are putting the value here, this is in the square bracket I am writing at equilibrium. If I am talking about at equilibrium, so what are there at equilibrium? H plus is equal to how much is there? C alpha. A minus, concentration of A minus, how much is there is Janab? That is C alpha. And if you are talking about Ha at equilibrium, it is C minus C alpha. C minus C alpha also you can take the common of the C. So C if you are taking the column, so that is 1 minus alpha, and here will be C. C you have taken the common, so here nothing is there, so that is 1.
Yes, sir.
As C removed, that is alpha. So this we are going to put the place the value. So plugging the value here, you are going to get C alpha. Here again, if you are multiplying, going to be C alpha divided by Ha is there, Ha. So 1 minus alpha, and here will be that is C. Now what we can do, Janab, here, see the numerator and denominator both is having C. So C cancel out. So what we can write, that is C alpha square, because alpha two times are there, and here is 1 minus alpha. Now Ka we got, Ka what we got, that is C alpha square 1 minus alpha, right? Now what I am saying here, since alpha is very small, since alpha is very small, since alpha is very small, so it can be neglected. It can be neglected. Where we are neglecting, Janab, it can be neglected in denominator. So denominator, I am neglecting. So what we are going to get here? So denominator neglecting means we will put the zero value. So Ka is equal to, it is coming C alpha square 1 minus 0. So what will come? Ka is equal to C alpha square upon 1. Meaning of 1 is nothing. So Ka is equal to what? C alpha square. This is the one formula. Another formula what can be done up here you see, that is C alpha square is equal to Ka. So alpha square is equal to Ka upon C. So that is, if you are talking about alpha only, so root of what it will be coming, that is Ka upon C. This is coming.
Yes, sir.
So here what is there? Alpha DOD. Okay. DOD means what? Degree of dissociation. Degree of dissociation. Next one we are having what? That is Ka. Ka is acid dissociation constant. Acid dissociation or ionization constant. Okay. Now the last one we are talking about C. It is molar concentration. This is the molar concentration. So these are there. Now this is the acid. Now we are talking about the base. So here I am going for the today Ostwald dilution law for base. Ostwald dilution law for base. For base, we are going to apply the Ostwald dilution law. So suppose I am taking one. Let us take a base. Let us take base BOH. So I am taking Janab, that is BOH. One base is there, common weak base I have taken. Ostwald dilution law is applied only for weak base. So if you are taking weak base, so it will give that is B plus OH minus. Suppose at T is equal to 0, at T is equal to 0, reaction not started. Reaction, what they are saying is, Jana, that is when T is equal to 0 means reaction not started. So Jana, what can we write the value? Reaction not started. It means its concentration is C. So here reaction not started means zero product. At T is equal to equilibrium. At T is equal to T equilibrium. At T is equal to T equilibrium. So Janab, if you are applying T equilibrium, so what will happen? It form that is C alpha, it is also forming C alpha. And what is left now? C minus C alpha will be left. So KB, I am writing because B for base. So KB is equal to, we can write that is B plus, or in another square bracket, OH minus. Downside what will be there, Janab? That is, it is going to be BOH. Now Janab, you see,
Yes, sir.
we know the value here. You see, already values are there. I know equilibrium concentration we have found. Equilibrium concentration. You see, equilibrium concentration, right? So if you talk about equilibrium concentration, so B plus, how much is there? B plus, it is there C alpha. Yes, yeah, no. Here is C alpha. You can see. OH minus, if you are talking about, so how much is there, Janab? Can you please tell me OH concentration at equilibrium?
Yes, sir.
How much is there? C alpha. And if you are talking about BOH concentration, so how much is there here? You see, at equilibrium, what concentration? C minus C alpha. So it is C minus C alpha. Also, we can write here, Janab, what we can write this one? C, you can take the common. So what is left? 1 minus alpha, right? So you plug the value. These value you put in this equation. All the values we are going to plug it. these value we are going to plug here in this equation. So student, what is there will be, that is KB is equal to B plus value, how much is there? C alpha. OH value, how much will be there? C alpha. BOH value, what will be there, student? C in bracket 1 minus alpha, right? So
Yes, sir.
what is going to happen, student? Here you can try to understand this one. Okay. So what the value you are going to C and C is going to be cancel out. C and C are going to be cancel out. So what is left here, student? You see KB is equal to, it will be C alpha square. It will be C alpha square divided by 1 minus alpha. Okay. So here try to understand, student, what is coming here. KB is equal to, now I told you, let us write down in the next page here. Let us write down in the next page what is going to happen. So KB is equal to, Janab, it is coming, KB is equal to, you can write here KB is equal to C alpha square divided by 1 minus alpha. Alpha is very small. Alpha is very small, right? Alpha is very small. So in denominator can be neglected. Denominator can be neglected.
Yes, sir.
So if you are neglecting, so its value will be 0. So means it can be 0. It can be 0. In denominator, it can be 0. So that is KB is equal to, what will come, Janab? C alpha square 1 minus 0. So KB is equal to, what will be there? C alpha square. So alpha square is equal to KB upon C. So alpha is equal to root of KB upon C. Right. So this is the value. Alpha is equal to
Yes,
KB
sir.
upon C. We can write here a little bit away. Alpha is equal to root of KB upon C. This is our answer. So that is what we need to write down this one, then we will solve the problem. So can you please write down this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Janab, write down this now.
Yes, I will do.
Person you want is speaking to someone else. You can wait or call again later. आपने जिस
हेलो, हाँ मैं तो सर
Yes,
बोलिए।
sir.
हाँ बोलिए बोलिए, आवाज आ रहा है। Sorry, Janab, some call was there. Janab, did
No,
you
no,
write
no.
the did you write this
1 minute,
previous
sir.
page? This is okay.
1 minute.
Uh,
Yeah, sir.
can I put the next page?
Just the last sentence, sir.
Okay. If it is done, please tell me.
Yes, sir. Yeah, sir. Can you please turn?
Okay, okay. So we can do some of the problem based on it. Done, Jana?
Yes, sir.
Can I erase? Can I
Yeah,
erase?
sir. Now you can. Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm giving you the problem now. Let us solve the problem, Jana. The question number 1. What
Yes,
is the
sir.
question number 1? They are saying calculate the degree of ionization of 0.01 molar solution of HCl, solution of HCN, if Ka for HCN is 4.8 into 10 power minus 10, then also calculate H plus ion concentration, H1 ion concentration at equilibrium. So little bit tough. This is the first problem. So you will find equilibrium. Option they have given, Jana. What is the option they have given?
Yes, sir.
A value they have given 2.2 into 10 power minus 3. Now A number option is there. B number they have given 2.2 into 10 power minus 2. C number option 2.2 into 10 power minus 1. D number option 2.2 into 10 power minus 4. And hydrogen ion concentration they have given. That is one more statement is there. So 2.2 into 10 power minus 2, 2.2 into 10 power minus 3, 2.2 into 10 power minus 4, and 2.2 into 10 power minus 6. These are there. So they are asking that is which one is correct. So Janab, let us try to understand. Slowly you try to understand. So maybe possible, it can be easy for you also. Okay. So that is what Janab, this is HCN is there now. HCN, this is weak acid. You know, this is weak acid as it gives lesser amount of H plus, so it is weak acid. If you are ionizing Janab, if you ionize this one, so it is going to ionize in the reversible manner, and it is going to give H plus and Cn minus. This is. So since it is giving H plus, so it is acid. When, if you are writing Janab here, when T is equal to 0, when T is equal to 0 Janab, so what will be the concentration here, you see? When T is equal to 0, so its concentration is C, and their concentration will be 0. Because always see, when the T is equal to 0, what I am considering here? If the T is equal to 0, Janab, so concentration of H plus ion and OH minus ion is 0. Because equilibrium reaction not started. Yes or no? Here you can see that next step also. In this case, also we have considered the C, here is 0. C and 0, 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now at, I am changing at T is equal to T equilibrium. So it will be C minus C alpha. They are the C alpha. Here is also C alpha. You can check similar derivation we have done here. C minus C alpha, C alpha, C alpha. And the previous page also C minus alpha, C minus C alpha, C alpha, C alpha. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now see this much have we got. Then one thing is there. Calculate the degree of ionization. Okay. Of 0.01. So degree of ionization they are asking. Means they are asking alpha. Degree of ionization and degree of dissociation. Both are the same thing. So this is the meaning is alpha they are asking. Alpha. And here what is there? K they already given. So these things are H plus also they are asking. So see, H plus value, how we will get H plus? So H plus value they are asking means C alpha we will put. Cn minus if they are asking, again we are going to put that is C alpha. And if they are asking HCN, so it will be C minus C alpha. So by the way, they are asking H plus, so we'll calculate first, but later on. So is Janab, if you are writing Ka, so it will come what? H plus. Then what will be there? Cn minus divided by it will be what? HCN. Right. So now put out the value, how much is coming. I am doing the derivation again. There is C alpha multiply by C alpha divided by C minus C alpha. Take the common. Here is C square alpha square divided by C in bracket 1 minus alpha. So C and C is cancelled out. So what is left? C alpha square upon 1 minus alpha. 1 minus alpha is nothing but 1. So that is Ka is equal to what is coming? C alpha square. So alpha square is equal to what? Ka upon C. So here alpha is equal to what will come up, Janab, the root of Ka upon C. This is the formula already we have derived. Alpha is equal to Ka upon C. You can see here. Alpha is equal to what we derive? Alpha is equal to Ka upon C. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
For what, Janab? This is the for weak acid. Okay. We derive this for
Yes.
weak acid. For acid.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us try to apply this one on the problem. So this we got here. So that is alpha is equal to root of Ka upon C. So Janab, you see both the things they have given. What Ka value they have given? See, calculate the degree of ionization of 0.01 molar. 0.01 molar means concentration they have given. Okay. So concentration given. How much? What is given
Yes,
here?
sir.
You see. Given C. C is equal to 0.01 molar. One thing we got. So what is left now? Ka is left. So let us try to write down the Ka value. Where is the Ka? Ka for SCN is 4.8 into 10 power minus 10. 4.8 Ka value they have given 4.8 into 10 power minus 10. So we are putting the value. Let us try to see. Alpha is equal to what will come? 4.8 into 10 power minus 10 divided by 0.01. This is coming. Now, what we are going to do here, how can we be able to solve here? You see that if you divide this one, Janab, if you divide this one, so multiply by 100 here, multiply by 100 here. So it will come how much is going to be coming here? 480
Sir.
into 10 power minus 10 divided by 1. This is the root. Again, you solve it out. Okay. So
Yes,
alpha is equal to coming 48 into 10 power minus 9. We can put out minus 9. So what is the root of 49? What can be the root of 49? Otherwise, one, otherwise one thing also we can do here. Because 9 is there, na? So that will create the problem. If 8 is there, we can put out. So alpha is equal to, I am putting 4.8 into 10 power minus 8. This will be much better. Or else, okay. Up here, if you are calculating the root of 4.8, it is something will come, that is, it will come 2.2 square multiply by 10 power minus 4, and that is again going to be square, and there is a root is there. So see here what is happening. This square and root cancel out. This square and root is cancel out. So it is going to be 2.2 into 10 power minus 4. Acha, you can ask that is how can I say 2.2 and 2.2 is a square? You can add it out. 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4. Okay, then cancel out. 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4. How much is coming? This is 4, 8, and 4. So the point after 2. So 4.8 is coming now. So root of 4.8 is 2.2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So alpha value you got there now. Alpha value is 2.2 into 10 power minus 4. Now they are saying one more question. They are saying little tough. Yeah, they are saying H plus ion concentration. What is H plus ion concentration? C alpha. So let us try to solve that up here. That is H plus ion concentration. How can I do? Here you see H plus concentration is equal to, we considered C alpha. C value they have given how much? 0.01. 0.01. Alpha value how much? 2.2 into 10 power minus 4. So what is coming, Janab? Here you see it will come 2.2 into 2-digit decimal you are placing this side. So 10 power minus 6. So you see H plus is equal to what is coming? H plus is equal to 2.2 into 10 power minus 6. And here what is alpha is equal to 2.2 into 10 power minus 4. So which option can be correct, Janapsi? Which is correct? This is the Ka value and this is the H plus value. So this is 2.2 is common. Power you can see 4 and 6. You check here.
Yes.
What is there? Power here is the 6. Here is 4. So option
6,
number D is
4.
correct.
Yes, sir. Option D. Yes, sir.
Option. Are you be able to understand the enough?
Yes, sir. Sir, please delete.
Yeah, you can write.
Sir, can you show one more?
What? What you are saying, Jana? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Are you saying something?
Hello, sir.
Uh-huh.
Yes, sir. I was asking you to like, I have to write down.
Oh, okay, no problem. You write now. Kids are enjoying in your house too much.
No, sir. Actually, I'm in a room, sir. All my cousins are outside.
Okay. Done?
No, sir.
Done.
Yes, sir. Next page.
Over.
No, sir.
Can I erase enough?
Yes, sir.
Little bit there in the next page also. You see the problem, large problem. See.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Done. Can I give you one more problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Try to solve the same formula is there, na? A little bit patiently you try, you will be able to understand. Okay, because the problems are little tough. Question I am giving you, the degree of dissociation. The degree of dissociation. Degree of dissociation of 0.1 molar CH3COOH is if ionization constant, if ionization constant, if ionization constant Ka constant Ka of CH3 COOH is how much is there, Janab? That is 1 into K1 into 10 power minus 5. Option they have given, Janab, here 10 power minus 5. Alpha is equal to 10 power minus 5. Alpha is equal to 10 power minus 4. Alpha is equal to 10 power minus 3. Alpha is equal to 10 power minus 2. This is the option A. Here is B. Here is C. This is D. Now, let us try to solve it out. I'm doing the solution here. You see, Janab. That is, this is the acid given CH3COOH. It is the weak acid. This is going to be weak acid. So if you are ionizing this one, it is going to give CH3COO minus ion, and it is going to give H plus ion. So Janab, how much is there? At T is equal to 0, Janab, its concentration is C, its concentration are 0. If T is equal to, you are considering T equilibrium, so it will be C alpha. It is C minus C alpha. Here is C alpha. If you are writing Ka, Janab, Ka, so what will come? C that is in the one bracket CH3 COO minus, another bracket what will come? H plus, divided by it is coming CH3 COOH. Now you can put out the value here. What the value we need to put? CH3 COO minus. CH3 COO minus, if you are putting, what is the value of the CH3 COO minus? You see here CH3 COO minus, value is C alpha. So here is C alpha multiplied by C alpha divided by C minus C alpha. If you are solving this enough, so C alpha, C square alpha square divided by C is common, 1 minus alpha, C say cancel out. So it will come C alpha square. Okay. So here you see, this is the derivation. Already you know the derivation. In all the question I have done. Okay, derivation also. So K is equal to, you got, that is C alpha square. But they are asking what? Degree of dissociation, DOD. DOD means alpha they are asking. So what we can do here? So C alpha square is equal to Ka. So alpha square is equal to Ka upon C. So alpha is equal to Ka upon C. Root of K upon C. Ka value they have given how much? 1 into 10 power 5. So 1 into 10 power minus 5 divided by C value they have given molar concentration 0.1. So here I am writing that is 0.1. This is in the root. So what we will do, Janab, by to remove the decimal, we need to multiply by 10 in the numerator and denominator. So we are going to get 1 into 10 power 1. Positive is there, negative is there, so 10 power minus 4 divided by 1. 1 cancel out. So this is in the root is there. So we can write that is 10 power minus 4. It is in the root. So how can we solve the root? So alpha is equal to, we are solving the root. Alpha is equal to 10 power minus 2 square root. So that is what will be there, Janab. This power and square cancel out. So alpha is equal to 10 power minus 2. This is coming. So which option will be our answer? 10 power minus 2. So correct option is option number D. Can't you understand, Janab, this one?
Yes, I understood.
Little tough. Don't try to say, sir, I'm not. And these are the tough things. Okay, little bit tough. If you ask that teach again, I'll teach again. But they are the problems are tough in this chapter. If you are facing the problem anywhere, you ask. I will explain again. Are you writing, Jainab? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Mhm. Done.
One
Okay,
minute,
right.
sir.
Right, right. Tomorrow will be holiday then, na?
Yes, sir, please.
Okay, okay. Take rest.
Yes, sir.
Done.
Yeah.
Can I give you one more problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us try to write down one more problem here. So here is the problem, question number 3. Okay. So what is the problem, Janab? That is if alpha for weak acid, if alpha for weak acid is if
Hello.
alpha for weak acid is 5 into
Hello.
10 power 5 into 10 power minus 4 and concentration of the weak acid, the concentration of the weak acid, how much is there? Weak acid HCN, concentration of weak acid is how much, Jana? They have given 2 into 10 power minus 2 molar. Then calculate Ka for the acid. Ka for the acid. Option they have given, I am writing 5 into 10 power minus 9, 5 into 10 power minus 10, 5 into 10 power minus 8, 5 into 10 power minus 11. This is the option number A. This is going to be B. This is going to be C. This is going to be D. Now, solution I am doing. Acid, you know that is HCN is there. So if you are ionizing, it is going to be give H plus and CN minus. So Janab, can you please tell me the formula for Ka for this acid? Ka is equal to what will come? Tell me.
Sir.
What is Ka formula? Here we derive now. We derive we derive
Right, sir. I know. Sir, it will be HCN into H plus by
okay, you are saying this one. Okay. Direct formula you
HCN
can.
by H plus equal to HCN.
So what will be the final answer? You said me final answer, final value. In the form of you use the value C alpha and Ka. What is the relation of C, alpha and Ka for the acid? What is the relation for in concentration, degree of dissolution and Ka? What is the relation?
Yes, sir.
What the relation is there? Already we derived now for AC. Ostwald dilution law for acid.
Yes, sir.
See how we derive. Again, I am deriving. All the question we are deriving. Here you see HCN. So what going to come then up here? See, alpha value means C alpha. Again, alpha value is C alpha. Okay. Here is what we HCN value C minus C alpha. So that will come C square alpha square upon what will come is then up. Take the common C 1 minus alpha. C cancel out. So Ka is equal to what is coming? Ka is equal to C alpha square, because alpha denominator we don't take. K is equal to C alpha square. See, other question you see K is equal to C alpha square. Where you find Ka? This is what? K is equal to C alpha square now. That was what I was asking. Here you see K is equal to this page. You come the next previous page. So see Ka is equal to what? C alpha square. That I was asking. Here also you see K is equal to C alpha square. Here also we got. So all the places we got K is equal to C alpha square. You can see here also we will be able to get Ka is equal to C alpha square. See, here we did here now. So that I was asking. Now you see here. Now understood K is equal to C alpha square. Yes, yeah, no.
Yes, sir.
So in this equation, what they are asking? Ka they are asking. So Ka is equal to C value. Concentration, you see how much? No, concentration of the weak acid HCl is this much they have given. This is the value of C, and this is the value of what? If alpha for weak acid, this is alpha, this is C. So we are putting the value. C value how much? So 2 into 10 power minus 2, and alpha value you see Jana, because square is there. So we'll write the square 5 into 10 power minus 4. 5 into 10 power more 4 and square. So solve it out. 2 into 10 power minus 2. 5 5 are 25 into 10 power minus 8. This is coming. So what will work? 25 into 2, how much? 50 into 10 power minus, how much? What will be there, Janab? Here you see 5 minus 2 minus 8 minus 10. Okay. So here 0 is there. Now you place the 0 this side. So K is equal to 5.0 into 10 power minus 9. This is the K value. Which option is correct, Janab? Check the answer.
Yes, sir.
Option. Can you see the
Option
This is 11, 8, 10.
9.
Option A.
Option
See.
A.
Option. Can't you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Try. Are you writing, Janab?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hmm. Can I erase? Can I erase, Janab? Can I erase, Janab?
Hmm.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for
Yes,
today,
sir.
can we stop, Janab? Can we stop for today?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
okay. Bye, Janab. Bye, bye, bye. Take care. For tomorrow, you take rest, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.